For several years there were discussions as to whether we should continue to do watermelon. If we should continue, then we should invest more and really get back into the game, and that's eventually what the decision was made, is to invest more and to make all efforts to get back into the business. And over the last 5 years, these are the things we've done. We've put a lot of effort on watermelon and it's paying off right now. Well, my personal philosophy is to select for material that's adapted to a lot of different conditions. I want wide adaptation, I want good fruit quality, but most importantly, I want it to have no defect. The first thing we do is to make sure that every fruit's going to be marketable. So we screen for things like hollow heart, low Brix. We look for yield, and then among the ones that yield well, then we'll look for things like shippability, taste, consistent high sugar. The newer varieties, I really feel like I've been involved a lot because the recent one, for example, Road Trip, so I was involved in making the hybrids. I chose the parent, made the cross, and I got to see it go through all those 4 years of testing. And so that's very rewarding when you see a grower come to you and say, well, this hybrid is really what I needed and it's going to make me great money, and I really like it. I want to buy a lot of it. I've seen a big difference over the last 4 years. The level of interest that dealers and growers have on our product has really changed, and now everybody's really excited with what Seminis is bringing to the marketplace. My name is Jérôme Bernier. I'm here at Seminis to breed watermelons for a better generation.